Did you know that 90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate? Are you inspired by home renovation and fix and flip TV shows? Do you dream of financial independence? With good credit and as little as 10% down, you can achieve your dreams. ZINC Financial, one of the country's leading real estate investment firms for the past 20 years, is here to help. If you're a seasoned investor or serious about getting started, ZINC's Real Estate Club is for you. Join us February 10th at 6:30 p.m. for a free, no-obligation investing event at ZINC's headquarters in Fresno. Learn what it takes to get started in house flipping and the little-known and extremely profitable strategy in real estate investment called wholesaling. Enjoy fantastic food, networking, and guest speakers who will help you start your journey to financial freedom. Space is limited, so reserve your spot today at zincfinancial.eventbrite.com. ZINC Real Estate Club. We're investing in you.